Welcome to Friday I'm in Love with this week's new home listings hitting the market in Manhattan and Hermosa Beach. There are 14 new homes to see this weekend, so without further ado, let's roll them. Pause the video at any time to grab information on one that you might be interested in, but every week I'll talk about a few of my favorites, and by far this week my favorite is mine. 1709 23rd Street in Manhattan Beach. It's a brand new home in Liberty Village, Liberty Heights. It's built by awesome local builder and volleyballer, Sean Akaza. It's a beautiful modern mid-century home, built to the nines, custom for the current owner, who's unfortunately moving out of California. Another one bites the dust. Come and see it on Saturday or Sunday afternoon this weekend. Other new listings that jump out at me this week, starting with 324 18th Street in Manhattan Beach. Walk Street in Manhattan Beach, $9.7 is the price. It's a hefty price, so it better be beautiful. I'm gonna see it today. Another one that jumps out at me, 461 26th Street in the Grandview area. Also a big price, $8.5, so I'm assuming it is beautiful. Great ocean views, all the stuff that you want for a nice expensive house like that. 3521 Pine, it's a charming little house with a good price. A remodel, 2100 Pine, 4649 for a newer home. That's a great price because a brand new home there would be certainly in the mid sixes. 1320 Curtis is a lot value home, 1995. It's by Miracosta. That would be a good one for maybe a fix and keep or a fix and flip. Have a great weekend looking at these awesome homes on open house. And remember, Fridays are the best day of the week.